Hi everybody, I'm Aaron with DCM Bioservices, and today I'm going to be walking you through replacing the vacuum pads on your Agilent Velocity11 VCode Microplate Labeler. If you find your VCode is failing to pick up labels, it may be because the vacuum pads are cracked and worn. You can visually inspect the vacuum pads for any noticeable cracks. If you find one, simply open the cab printer for better access, grip the vacuum pad, and pull it straight towards the printer. With a little effort, this will come straight off. Then, take your replacement vacuum pad and press it straight on, making sure there are no wrinkles. Then, close the printer, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Subscribe for more lab automation tutorials. And if you don't feel confident performing these tasks on your own equipment, please email us at service@dcmbio.com.